Welcome to this thorough guide on understanding and utilizing the Occurrence Book or OB functionality within the system. In this guide we will cover the following topics: the Occurrence Book overview page and how to add and edit entries. Upon logging into the system, most users will see the Occurrence Book overview, with active incidents listed on the right-hand side of the screen, and the action or communication logs in the center of the screen. These log entries are listed in date order, with details of the date and time of the entry, the message itself, and the associated incident if linked. You have the ability to mark entries as watched by clicking the star icon next to the corresponding entry. This action pins the message to the top of the Occurrence Book, regardless of its original timestamp, making it useful for highlighting messages that require immediate attention or follow-up actions. Selecting the incident name, highlighted in blue, and selecting View on an incident-specific OB entry will direct you to the full incident report and open that incident's logs in view mode. To navigate back to the Occurrence Book overview at any time, select the clipboard icon in the navigation bar at the top of any page. You can personalize your Occurrence Book overview by using the toggles next to the heading. Selecting the first toggle expands the incident's Occurrence Book entries into chronological order. This allows you to view every OB entry made for each incident, instead of only the most recent ones. Selecting the second toggle will auto-refresh the page every 10 seconds, ensuring your feed is up to date with the latest communications. To deselect a toggle, click the toggle again until it is no longer green. You can also print OB entries by selecting the printer icon to the right of the toggle buttons. This will prompt a window where you can select a date range of the OB entries you wish to print, by either manually entering the dates, using the calendar selection tool, or by using the quick selection tool. Selecting the export button will download the entries into a PDF document for the date range selected. To add a new entry directly from the Occurrence Book overview, you can type your message into the input field located at the top of the Occurrence Book tile, and press Enter. This will create a general OB entry. The entry will automatically update with the current date and time. To create an incident-specific entry, use the Select Report drop-down option. If you are not on the Occurrence Book overview page but you would like to add an OB entry, you can add a new entry by clicking the pencil icon located in the navigation bar at the top of any page. This will open a modal window, where you can write your message. Within this modal you can select a specific or backdated entry date and time, either by entering it manually or by using the calendar selection tool. Visibility settings will default to your primary location, but you can adjust this by using the search tool to include or exclude other locations. You can also make it an incident-specific entry by using the Select Incident drop-down list. This will add extra fields to the modal where you can specify the method of communication, select the direction of the message and capture the identifier. Once your message and visibility is set, click the Save Entry button to add it to your Occurrence Book. Incident-specific entries can also be added directly within an incident report. Open the desired incident report in edit mode, and scroll down until you find the Communication Log section. This section allows you to capture the entry, the method of communication, the direction of traffic, if applicable, either to or from, and the sender or recipient of the message. Clicking the Save button will save the new Occurrence Book entry, along with any other modifications you've made to the incident. To update existing OB entries on the overview page, click the Edit button adjacent to the desired entry. For general entries, this will open a modal window displaying the entry's details which you can update, and then click the Update Entry button. If you wish to change the general entry to an incident-specific entry in this modal, use the Open Incidents filter to search for and select the desired incident. Clicking the Update Entry button will then move the general message to the selected incident's Occurrence Book, while retaining the original timestamp of the entry. Selecting Edit on an incident-specific entry will direct you to a page where you can update the basic information and the narrative of the entry on the left-hand side of the page. On the right-hand side of the page, you have the option to share the update via email by entering a desired individual's email address. If you are sending to multiple recipients, ensure you separate each email address with a semicolon. Once you have added all the intended recipients, click the Save button. This will send each specified recipient a secure link to view the Occurrence Book entry. Below the recipient field, you will see a list of previously shared secure links, along with a status indicating whether the recipient has opened the message yet. If the feature has been enabled for your organization, you have the option to send an incident-specific entry via text message. To do this, navigate to the communications log within a desired incident report. Find the desired entry and click on the text option just below the entry. This will open a modal where you can select a recipient by typing their name in the Add Recipients bar. Select the corresponding Add button to add the recipient. To remove a recipient, click the corresponding X next to their name. You can also edit the message you wish to send to them. Click Send Text Message to send the message to the recipients. To remove a general OB entry on the Occurrence Book overview page, click the corresponding Delete button associated with that entry, and confirm your selection. To delete an incident-specific entry, navigate to the communication logs within an incident report, and simply click the corresponding Delete button associated with that entry, and confirm your selection. While deleted messages will no longer appear in reports, overviews, or incident views, it's crucial to understand that all deletion actions are meticulously tracked within the system's audit trail for accountability and record-keeping purposes.